Manifestation Day 4. Start manifesting by completing short-term goals. Welcome back to Day 4 of the 7 Days Manifestation course. We have learned in Day 1 on how to clear our negative thoughts by the power of letting go and giving up resistance, and in Day 2, how to set your goals for your desires and how to build an abundance mindset in Day 3. If you haven't already listened to Day 1, 2, and 3, please go and listen to it before proceeding to Day 4. No matter your goals, there is a proven framework for improving every day. Today, we will reveal practical strategies that will teach you exactly how to form good habits, break bad ones, and master tiny behaviors that lead to remarkable results. Take your list of short-term goals and start with them. Completing small goals give you a sense of quick accomplishment, which gives you small rewards of success. These small rewards of success become positive thoughts in your mind and help you start walking in the path of your goals in your favor. Why short-term goals are important? Short-term goals let you create effective strategies. It provides with quick feedback. Short-term goals help kill procrastination and helps keep your focus. Starting long-term goals as soon as beginning the process might lead to impatience in finishing the goal, boredom in taking time to finish a long-term project, and might give you a discouraging thought of not being able to finish. The feeling of accomplishment gives you the ability of motivation to start another project. Before beginning your short-term goals, focus on one you have to set the most important first. Finish the goal and then only move on to the next goal. By starting to accomplish short-term goals, also try to master some personal short goals to make you a more effective person. Some short-term personal goals are: build a morning routine, keep a daily journal, double your productivity level, practice daily family rituals, explore something new every day, develop one good habit every month, attend a personality development seminar, leave one bad habit each month. Now you are finally starting to manifest your goals and completing your desires one by one. You now have your desired short-term goals with an abundance mindset, with a mind of least resistance. Short-term goals are just as important as long-term goals. In order to attain your bigger goals, you need to commit to a list of short-term goals. If you feel that you may lose your momentum in the pursuit of bigger picture, or getting your target is a slog, then try setting clear short-term goals. You are now ready to move on to the next step of manifesting long-term goals in day 5 of our 7 days manifestation course. Be consistent in what you are doing. Consistency is key. Manifestation works to people who are consistent with what they do. You are learning tools, so learn to use them every day and success will come to you. We will see you again in day 5.